Okay, so this is about as real as it gets. Now I'm taking you inside the open house with me, right? Now, what I've done, just to give you some preparation, I've gone ahead and called everybody in the area. I've put out as many signs as I had. I had 6 signs. I put 4 out there on the street. I put 2 up here to get by the house. Ordinarily, I'd use a lot more, but unfortunately, 6 is all I have at the moment, so that's quite all right. What else have I done? I've prepared all of the paperwork that you can have for the property. I've got property, as you can see here, the floor plan, the MLS sheet, other properties that are around the area. You could certainly do a lot of things to make it a lot prettier. There's a lot of things you could do. So just to give you some perspective, I want to kind of give you, in this video, maybe a little bit of a taste of the reality of being in this. I mean, sometimes it's feast, sometimes it's famine. Sometimes you have a ton of people showing up at your open house, and other times you don't have anybody. The first half hour I was here, this place was a madhouse. We had 6 people, or I'm sorry, I should say 6 couples in and out of the property within half an hour. I mean, it was just boom, boom, boom. People in and out of the property. That was very nice, but now, here you are with nobody, right? So what I always recommend to people when they're holding an open house is to go ahead and make sure that you bring some numbers with you. Now, bring some people that you can call, your centers of influence. Make sure that you bring maybe some for sale by owners, because they're holding open houses too. Maybe some expired listings you couldn't reach during the week, bring them. And then in the slow times like this, right, then you give those people a call and you let them know what's up and tell them, hey, I'm out here holding an open house myself. How's it going at your place? How have things been going? Tell me about your price. How'd you come to, look, you're paid in proportion to the amount of real estate conversations that you have. That's really what it's all about. And if you want to make more money in real estate, then you have to make more conversations happen by any means necessary, right? By the internet. Ideally, you want to have the opportunity to actually talk to them, right? So that's what I would recommend. Always fun and games when you're sitting at an open house.